In this video, I'll explain the proper way to share your Netflix account with friends. Before getting started, make sure you're connected to the internet and signed into your account. While Netflix allows you to create multiple profiles, these profiles are meant for people who live in the same household. A Netflix household includes everyone who shares your primary residence. Netflix no longer allows you to share your account freely with friends or family members who live elsewhere. If you want to share your account with someone outside your household, Netflix only permits it through the extra member feature, which is available in select regions. This option allows you to pay an additional fee to officially add someone who lives in a different location. When you open the Netflix app, go to your profile icon in the top right corner, select account and look for extra member option. If it's available in your country, you can invite one or more extra members depending on your plan. Netflix will then send them an invitation to create their own login while still being connected to your membership. Creating a normal profile alone does not give someone outside your household access. That is because Netflix will detect their device at another location and block streaming unless they are added as extra member. So only the legitimate way to share Netflix with a friend who doesn't live with you is by purchasing an extra member slot if your region supports it. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.